From Bug Eye Guys, let's take a look at our 1750 Alpha 1971 at some of the controls. So we have fuel pressure, brake failure light over here, brake pressure, fuel pressure warning lights. We have four-way flashers. We have high beam. We have park lights on. We have an oil pressure warning light. We have the blinker indicating light. Up here we have a alternator light, and also the heating light comes on when the fan goes on. It gets a little dimmer when you're in the low speed. There's high speed and low speed. That's kind of cool. These are such nice switches, but that's that. You have over here, this is the driving light switch for those nice amber driving lights in front. And this is the wipers, which I have off the glass so that we don't scratch the glass. This is low, and high is the second setting on the detent, so that's here. Then you have the heater. Let's see if we can get that to focus. You have the heater, air directing vents, of course, the fuel gauge and the water temperature. You have the rear window heater here, which lights up, and that's pretty much it. You have the cigarette lighter here, and I'm pretty sure, oh, that's what I forgot. This is the high beam, low beam, and headlight control. So to turn on the lights, you should be able to see those are just the driving lights on. That's off and on from this switch. You can see them reflecting in the bug eye in front of us. Then if you twist it again, you get headlights. Now I'm going to turn off the driving lights. So those are just the headlights. And then when you go to high beam, you get the blue light, and you also get the high beams on the car you see in front. So that's the dip switch for this one. So you twist to turn the lights on, and you dip to get them to go to high beam. And then this driving light, if you leave it on all the time, it will go off when you activate the high beam. So you don't have brights and driving lights on simultaneously, which I think by law you're required to do. So these will stay on low beam. They go off automatically on high beam. And that is our 71 Alpha. The horn works here. You've heard it beep in our other videos. Thanks for watching from Bug Eye Guys.